right, I'm going to read this statement from Jennifer Roberts. If you don't know who Jennifer Roberts is, she is the chair. Let me get this straight, because if I say it wrong, I'm going to hate myself. Chair of the Mecklenburg County Board of Commissioners. I always say it wrong, so I have to read it. Dear friends, I send this message to you today to express both my concern and opposition to the North Carolina General Assembly's proposed Defense of Marriage Act, which, if enacted, would make marriage between a man and a woman the only domestic legal union that shall be valid or recognized in the state of North Carolina. In today's tough economic climate, North Carolina businesses are already facing incredible tough competition in order to attract a diverse workforce that will enable them to compete in the global economy. This legislation will threaten North Carolina companies' ability to recruit a new and increasingly diverse generation of talented workers, and would send a message that North Carolina does not welcome the type of diverse workforce that any growing business needs in order to compete in the increasingly internationalized marketplace. In addition, this legislation has the potential to strip public employees of the domestic partner benefits that have been provided by their employers, and would discourage private employers from extending these benefits to same-sex partners. The legislation sends a message of discrimination, discourages rather than encourages our differences, and would perpetuate a diverse social agenda that is unwelcoming for a new generation of creative, talented youth who hold the key to unlocking North Carolina's future economic potential. In 2011, 83% of Fortune 100 and 58% of Fortune 500 companies offer domestic partner benefits, including North Carolina-based companies such as Bank of America, Lowe's, Duke Energy, and BB&T. This legislation would compromise our process towards equality and will have a very real impact on North Carolina's economy and our ability to compete in the international marketplace. When companies search for locations, they consider all aspects of a community. Smart companies know LGBT Americans are not only part of America, but that they have important talents to contribute. As an individual and a leader in an organization which provides benefits to domestic partners, I believe that North Carolina legislators have an obligation to keep our state's constitution a document that protects the rights and freedoms of all of North Carolina's citizens, regardless of their sexual orientation. I address you today and join countless other local government representatives across the state urging the General Assembly to take leadership on this issue, to protect all North Carolinians and help preserve our standing as a welcoming place to live and work. House Bill 777 and Senate Bill 106 threaten important protections for contributing North Carolina citizens and will significantly harm the future of this state. Sincerely, Jennifer Roberts, Chairman.